Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like it.
This year, blessing, money, test.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's so noisy, but today I'm in Utawala. I'm looking for somewhere I can go and make my hair. So yeah, let's explore Utawala. Don't mind my hair, naenda kuitengeneza. Today is self-care kind of day, though bado niko na mashughuli mob. So my nails are done. So I'm now looking for a place to make my hair. So yeah, let's explore Utawala together. So my guys, imagine phone yangu ilizima, yeah? But good thing I had my charger. So nilienda hapo, nilipata salon huku Utawala. Nikaenda, I undid my lines, nikafanywa treatment, and I straightened my hair. So this is me going back. Uzuri nilicharge up simu, nikifanywa nini nywele. So yeah, this is me going back. So the reason I had gone to look for a salon is because I was at Komarok Modern Hospital, and since I needed to do an ultrasound, they told me that I needed to wait like for around 3 hours. Nikashindwa hii time yote nitakuwa nikifanya nini. So that's why I looked for a salon, nifanyangwe nywele until I go back, yeah. So this is me going back to Komarok Modern, nimaliziwe, and then I go home. So yeah, join me. So guys, after I was done with my ultrasound and I got the results, I took back to the doctor. I decided to come back to this, the Komarok Modern Cafe. I used to love their food. So yeah, this time round, I decided to just do rice and beef. I was hungry. Semanja. I was super hungry, and then I really wanted their fish. They used to make some really nice fillet. The 2 days I stayed here while I was getting my baby, they used to make some nice fish fillet. So I thought they had that, but they didn't have. So I just decided to do rice and beef. If you know me, that's my favorite. So yeah, let's dig in.
Searching for something that ain't lost. stuff that doesn't really matter. Why wishing for something better? I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know.
So after nimalized lunch, it was time to go home, and then I saw this beautiful hotel and I had to just come and have a look.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. Come on, walking by the flesh. That's when I leave you.
If you are planning to host like a small event, like a small birthday party, a baby shower, something of the sort, this is the place to be, because wow, I loved the place. Like you can see here, there's also like some open space, like some ground for you to hold the event. So I really loved this place. I would highly recommend. So guys, this is Triple O. So beautiful. Damn.
Close to your love again. I get my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to be with sin and break your heart. So
Hi baby. Tumeendea fish. So let me show you where we get fish on wholesale. Like it's a good price. Hi beautiful people, so I'm back on your screens. So I came from getting fish, and today we are having fish, ugali and greens. Yeah, so I thought of preparing that with you. I'm in my kitchen, as you can see, and this video is sponsored by Kamarok Modern Hospital. I'm just kidding. I'm just manifesting. Anyway guys, I love using this cup. I'm just having some lemon water. They give me this cup after I gave back to my baby there. Nowadays I'm hydrating as much sorry, I'm hydrating as much as I can, yeah, just keeping it healthy. And did I tell you guys that I started gym? Did I tell you guys I started going to the gym? That's so exciting. So one of these Fridays I'll take you to the gym with me. And then also, did I show you my nails? I did my nails. I did a very different color from what I'm used to. I'm used to doing, if you know me well, I'm used to doing reds, pinks, purples, yeah. But this time around I was like, I want something different. And these are different I got, and I love them. I don't mind them at all. So anyway, straight to the point. So I'm preparing dinner, and I thought, why not? Why not? Why not prepare it with you guys? So let me get fish from there. So this is what we will be having today. Oh shit, still wet. I came back, cleaned them, put some in the freezer, and this is what we will be having. Yeah, some tilapia. So let me put it there. Actually, I should prep it so that niekele mafuta pia and all that. So yeah, I also have some greens here. I got some greens just from the nini here, so I'll prepare them with you too. I'll clean them, cutter them. Let's make the dinner today with you guys. Tukibonga tukisikia is how what's happening, what's popping. And I don't know why my eyes are a bit red. I think ni shower gel imeningia macho nikioga. I'm just from the shower, guys. I wanted to come to the kitchen nikiwa fresh. Fresh. And then I was thinking I'll buy an apron ya kupika cause I'm sure nikitoka hii kitchen itakuwa noma. Anyway guys, let's go straight into the meal. So I will be making some fish and then some greens and some ugali. So frying my fish, so nimekelea mafuta ikuwe very hot. And then for my tilapia, we are using tilapia this time round. So I usually love taking the bigger size, yeah. So this is size 3. They sell in sizes, yeah. So this is size 3, not so bad, but I love buying size 5, which is a bit bigger, but it's okay. This will work, so I'll do 2 of them, yeah. So let's do this, let's cook together. So let me prep these. I will cut them, nitakata uku, and then I just put some salt. These ones are well cleaned. Nilikuwa nimeziosha tu vile tulikam, well cleaned, kila kitu imetolewa. So I'll just cut her, put some salt, and then wait for this oil to get really
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on cut.
So nimeka fish yangu some salt, as you've seen. So what I need to do now is prepare the veggies. So let me clean them, cut them. Yeah, let's do that with you.
When it gets hard, I stay on my job, like no days off, so you can go home with that jump on, jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's
My nimetoa sukuma zangu, so I'll just clean them and then cut them, yeah. So my fish also is nice and ready. Nimeka 2 salts and my oil. As you can see, hadi natoa smoke, yeah. This is how to know that your oil is ready.
Put that on good when it gets cold. Stay on my job, like no days off, so you can go home with that jump on, my bad. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space.
My guys, just look at how this minji is doing well. Oh my god, I'm so happy. My dania are also thriving, so I will move them like I was telling you guys, but I'm so happy. I had to show you this. Also, for this succulent, as you can see, it has really multiplied, yeah. So I will buy those small planters like the white ones and then separate them one by one. And then some I will put beside my bed, some on the study table. Yeah, it's doing so beautifully. I'm loving how it looks, guys. I had to show you how this car place is doing.
You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, nigga, catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey. Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got it? Our lines crossed. We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter. While wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken. Misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. Same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over it.
So our greens are nice and ready. So I will be prepping these ingredients for me now to make the curry.
Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No, I don't wanna waste my time. No. Maybe you don't wanna know, you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No, I don't wanna waste my time. No, no, I don't wanna waste my time. I wonder if you hear me, 'cause I've been crying out. I wanna have you near me again. I wanna have you close. I feel like I am falling whenever you're around. And I've been longing for your heat, your touch. Oh, I belong to you.
All the ingredients we will be using to make our curry. This is garlic, onions, of course, dania stalks, dania themselves, tomatoes, a little bit of tomato paste. This is coconut cream and some Royco cubes for the greens. So let's kanga everything now, and then we also cook ugali.
Belong to you.
So this is for the curry, this is for skuma, and this is the ugali. We want to finish this as fast as we can, so let's do this.
It's us two, I belong to you, and baby you belong to me. I feel like I am falling whenever you're around, and I've been longing for your heat, your touch. Oh, I belong to you. I hope we keep the light to shine, and there's a fire growing strong. I hope we leave the night behind to see the morning come. I hope we keep the light to shine.
And garlic. And this is for the skuma. So at this point, we can just add tomatoes here.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm. Before sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through. No limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can
So the process is going on well, as you can see. So tutaweka tu Royco cube hapo kwa skuma, zinakuanga na katest kapoa. Ukiweka tu Royco cube kamoja, very nice, ama mbili if you want, yeah. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm really multitasking at this point. Hey, wacha tu, I'm sweating in the kitchen, multitasking. Maji ya ugali iko hapo hivyo, I'm sure sahi imechemka. It's crazy in my kitchen, but we move. Our greens are looking. These ones are already ready, and this is how our cream is looking. And here is it's ready.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Just not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
Call me the mother of multitasking because ugali pale nasonga kidogo, niko huku kwingine kwa fish, nimeongeza pale kamaji, you know the vibes. Yeah, it's going on well. I can't complain, so let's keep cooking. Guys, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Kindly, if umewatch hadi hapa, come on. Oneni vile huyo dema na multitask. Guys, give this video a thumbs up. And to the new subscribers, karibuni sana. Welcome to this fun family. Nimeona watu wengi sana wamesubscribe. I have so many new subscribers and I'm so happy. Karibuni sana and feel at home.
Don't leave me here high and dry.
Guys, the process is going on well, and it's time now to put in the fish to the curry. And the reason I'm putting just one fish is because I'm the only one who loves wet fish, yeah. So we will cover it with the coconut sauce ili all the parts zikuwe na your sauce, and then tufunikie for it to just simmer a bit, then itakuwa ready. Comment down below, do you love your fish wet? Do you love it dry? How do you like having your fish? So kaugali ketu pia kanaiva, so everything is going on well.
I don't know where she came from, kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do.
I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gone, I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go.
Eish, just look at that ugali. Eish. Our greens are also looking good. Ziliva poa. And look at my fish. What I need my fish, cause I can't wait to dig in, my guys. Where? So kuganish kidogo pale na dania na pilipili. You know the vibes. For sticking with me till the end. If you have liked this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't. So my ugali is ready, my greens are ready, my fish is also ready. So the reason I only did one fish curry is because I'm the only one who loves like some wet fish. Yeah, so let me test when we are here. Let me feel, come on, it's giving or it's not giving. So what I need a little bit of fish, a little bit of kaskuma, and a little bit of kaugali, and then we taste and then we call it a day. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe.
When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. Upside down, I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night with her, bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Have you ever been in love?
Guys, here is the camille. I've served kiasi, and then guess what? Nimejiguza na ile kidole ilikuwa na pilipili. Oh my god. But we have to taste. I think sasa niko sawa. So let's have a taste. So this is the ugali. This is the fish. I keep the eye. So this is amazing already. I can feel it's amazing. And then it's a bit of vitungu hapo, ugali, and the skuma. This is so good, guys. I'm not even lying. I'm not even kidding. God. Kwanza the coconut. This is what I was talking about. Yeah. I can't wait. I can't wait for dinner time. The reason nimeserve kidogo is because hatukuli sai. So yeah, you get it. You try this recipe. Trust me, you won't regret. So bye, guys.
Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're